First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.
Welcome to the Xplore Mindz podcast with Rohan Aru, brought to you by Xplore Mindz Academic. If you are a student in Malaysia feeling the pressure of SPM, STPM, or just trying to figure out how to be consistent, you are in the right place. I'm your educator, Rohan Aru, and my mission is to give you the blueprint for academic success. Today, we are not talking about what to study, but how to start. We are tackling the biggest enemy of achievement, inconsistency. Today's topic is the first 10. How to build an unbreakable study habit. Think about this. How many times have you waited for motivation to strike before opening your books? How often do you tell yourself, I'll start when I have 2 hours free? The problem is, motivation is unreliable and those 2 hours never show up. We rely on huge bursts of effort which lead to burnout and that dreaded feeling of playing catch up. Habits fail because we try to make them too big too soon. The solution is surprisingly simple and I call it the first 10 rule. The rule is this: you only have to study for 10 minutes. That's it. The real challenge isn't studying. The real challenge is starting. By committing to just 10 minutes, you lower the barrier to entry to zero. Your brain says, okay, I can handle 10 minutes. Here's the secret sauce. 9 times out of 10, once you hit that 10-minute mark, you'll be in the flow. And you will keep going for 30, 40 or even an hour. If you stop at 10 minutes, guess what? You still won. You maintain your habit streak. That consistency is the real victory. For Malaysian students juggling tuition, co-curricular activities, and the massive workload of subjects like chemistry or sejarah, use that first 10 rules strategically. For SPM preparation, immediately after dinner, before looking at your phone, commit your first 10 to just reviewing notes from one topic. No writing, just reading. For STPM, for those heavy reading assignments, commit 10 times to just highlighting the first 3 paragraphs. You don't have to understand it yet. You just have to start. This is how champions train. They show up even when they don't feel like it. Here are your 3 pieces of homework for this week. First, identify your time. Find a fixed 10-minute window every single day. No exceptions. Maybe right after you brush your teeth. Second, define your start. Choose one incredibly easy task to do in those 10 minutes. Examples, just review 5 flashcards or write down 3 things that you learned today. And last one, don't break the chain. Use a calendar or simple app to mark an X every day you complete your first 10. The goal is unbreakable chain of X. You have the power to create consistency. Stop waiting for motivation. Just build the habit. Thank you for tuning into the Xplore Mindz podcast. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and share it with a friend who needs a study boost. Next week, we are diving into the pressure cooker, managing parental expectations and the peer competition. Don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh. Second thing, second doom, say it's green and bright.